Eyes on the lights then. And away we go for heat number 3 in Honda Cadets. Sakai tries to go for a good start, but it's a better start from Alfie Thompson on the second place on the grid. Into oblivion they go then, and through the crook up the hill for the first time. And it is indeed Alfie Thompson who's got to the lead of this one. Sakai, though, still featuring well in second. Going to take the conventional racing line. There's a bit of a touch there between Kacee Lynch in the 41 and Macie Hitter in the 53. They both keep it going. Looks like everyone's got through so far as they stream down the hill towards Ashby Corner for the first time. 3 wide and even 4 wide in the mid-pack as ever. Delighted to say that there's none of the dramas we saw at Ashby earlier on in heat 1 of the day. It looks like Macie Hitter's got up into second place here ahead of Ryutaro Sakai, and there too goes that's Jack Thompson right down the inside of Ryutaro Sakai into the second part of the boot as well. As they come across the line, Alfie Thompson leads, Macie Hitter second, Jack Thompson it was who got past Ryutaro Sakai, and Kacee Lynch as they come up the hill for the second time, and that is HOBSON on Hitter there for second place. And I think he's got the job done. They were side by side at the apex of Christmas Corner. Who emerges in second place? It is Jack HOBSON in second place now. On this one, Ryutaro Sakai now is going to try on and get some places back on Alfie Thompson. Okay, so excuse me, Macie Hitter made progress on Alfie Thompson, and Jack HOBSON got past Alfie Thompson. Can't be, Macie Hitter did not get ready with Jack Thompson. Alfie Thompson dropped back 2 places on that one, so Macie Hitter, Jack HOBSON, Ryutaro Sakai, Alfie Thompson down to 4th now for Kacee Lynch. This is your lead battle, Macie Hitter versus Jack HOBSON. Do you work together to try and get the gap on the field, or do you start battling straight away? Classic conundrum of sprint racing. Although the judgment call is harder to make further back. So, good one to go. I honestly feel like it's going a lot faster than the coast. Sitting in second place on the wheel tracks of Macie Hitter, waiting for this opportunity. Place. No, he's changed again. Thompson back into third place. Kacee Lynch has got back by Ryutaro Sakai as well. So Sakai now in 5th place. Trying to get back. There is Sakai on the inside. Just saw the back of shot there. Trying to get back past Kacee Lynch. Steve Duncan, though, who featured prominently in the first heat of the day, or the previous heat, sorry. Trying to get through as well. I think Sakai's got back now. Yeah, Sakai now ahead of Steve Duncan has followed through as well. Now Lynch is getting taken by Ethian SYMONDS. I think so there goes as well. Yeah, Kacee Lynch and Ethian SYMONDS side by side down the back stretch. As they come around. Macie Hitter leads, Jack HOBSON second, Alfie Thompson third, then Ryutaro Sakai, Stephen Duncan, Ethian SYMONDS, and Henry ROLLINS-HART, all ahead of Kacee Lynch in 8th place. So there was plenty of change there on that lap, I have to say, quite ominously. There's someone putting the rain protector on Charles Baker on the outside. Just preparing for an absolute downpour here at Whilton Mill. So it's a feeling of red running here at the circuit. So far to stay as dry as we have been for the race. Race leader. The pressure now from Jack HOBSON. Jack HOBSON looks to tuck his nose underneath the rear, inside the rear bumper of Macie Hitter. Got the opportunity there. And behind them, Stephen Duncan has got past Ryutaro Sakai, 4th place. So just having the back of shot last time through. Confirmation of it. Kacee Lynch now so that's no, they're not the same road round. Jack Hobson didn't quite catch it on camera, unfortunately, but has got the lead off of Macie Hitter. I think it did happen through Christmas Corner, though, because he was very close coming up the hill. So Jack Hobson now to the lead of the race. 90 seconds left on the clock, plus a lap. Jack Hobson leads ahead of Macie Hitter. Still Alfie Thompson there in third place in the 87. There's the 66 of Stephen Duncan, 44 of Sakai. Ethian Symonds in sixth. I said that Kacee was in pressure again. The Belgian has got by. There is Sakai down the inside of Stephen Duncan, and he's got the job done. And Ethian Symonds is going to follow through as well in the 23. So Sakai and Symonds up to fourth and fifth respectively now, ahead of Stephen Duncan. Head towards Wilkins. Now Symonds goes down the inside of Sakai into Wilkins. That's a lovely move into Wilkins. You couldn't ask for a cleaner one than that into Wilkins. Nicely judged from Ethian Symonds in the 23. Now we go again through the boot. Stephen Duncan, who's been driving well so far today, is going to look to try and find a way back past 44 from Ryutaro Sakai. Changing positions from the third there on your timing towers. Zero in a moment. For the next time we come around, it is going to be to mark the start of the final lap. Here's how the top three look. Macie Hitter and Alfie Thompson have been working together for the last few laps, but now Alfie Thompson to get onto the back of Jack Hobson by the looks of it. But Alfie Thompson now is going to look for the lead, and out of nowhere we have a three-car battle for the lead of the race on the final lap. Jack Hobson comes through there, Macie Hitter in second, Alfie Thompson in third. Up the hill they come. Can they get a run on the race leader? Jack Hobson feels the need to go defensive. Macie Hitter goes to the inside as well. Alfie Thompson is going to try and get the switch back out of Christmas Corner. He'll have good drive. Look for them coming out of Inkermans here onto the straight towards Ashby. And they haven't been able to do anything with it. Same formation as with Christmas Corner. Behind them, 4th, 5th and 6th are battling it away as well. This is fantastic stuff here. As I can see, Ryutaro Sakai is leading them in 4th place. Somehow it's still Hobson from Macie Hitter, but down the inside there goes Alfie Thompson on Macie Hitter into Ashby. Surely he's going to make that one stick. No, gets poor drive off the corner, and Macie Hitter is going to get it back. Does Hitter try anything for the lead? No, too far back from Jack Hobson. Jack Hobson's going to come round and take the win, surely. Macie Hitter, though, still under pressure from Alfie Thompson here into the last corner, and Hitter just moves across just to say, don't you think about it there, my friend. And they come across the line now. Jack Hobson wins from Macie Hitter, Alfie Thompson in third, Ryutaro Sakai in fourth, fifth for Ethian Symonds,